name is Datta. We clean and disinfect all kind of water tanks to ensure clean and safe water. Our certified process meet highest standards of Dubai Municipal and Health and Safety standards.
I'm Vijay from Blue Diamond Security Service. Security means more than just presence, it means a preparedness. Our team combines training with technologies to keep your premises safe, alert, and protective 24/7.
I'm Shirin, Pest Control Engineer here in Blue Diamond Group. We deliver licensed, safe, and effective pest control solution. Our mission is to protect your facilities from any major or minor pests.
Hi, I'm Feroz. Cleaning isn't just about appearance. It's about health, detail, and consistency. We use eco-friendly methods and modern tools to maintain spotless environment. Thank you.
Hi, I am Kiran. Our sewage tank and drain cleaning service is fast, hygienic, fully compliant. We protect your premises and the environment with every job.